Once I went to Mexico to learn a dance called Calypso. And when I was dancing there, I met a girl with curly hair. She taught me how to do this dance. It was the start of a romance. She taught me how to tune the strings and made me play her mandolin. Oh, 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 oh. Calypso, Mexico. Oh, 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 oh. Calypso, Mexico. Oh, oh, oh. Calypso, Mexico. I need to start mucho. Calypso, Mexico. Everybody. Oh, Calypso, Mexico. Oh, Calypso, Mexico. Oh, Calypso, Mexico. I me gusta mucho. Calypso, Mexico. I me gusta mucho. Calypso, Mexico. We were dancing every night, and afterwards it was alright. Dreaming dreams that all came true, dreams that we were sharing too. When I look into her eyes, all I saw was paradise. Life is one sweet melody. Shinsi is my honeybee. I'm dreaming tonight a day so long ago, the days of my childhood in the county of Mayo. And as I wander back in time, my eyes fill up with tears, for I've been away so long for oh so many years. Oh, take me back to Termacady, back to Termacady, near the town of Allen Road. Oh, take me back to Termacady, back to Termacady in the county of Mayo. On to Termacady, the village of the Gale, looking out across Loch Mask's fishermen set sail. 'Tis when I do remember the beauty of it all, the lovely clear blue waters and the parky mountains tall. Oh, take me back to Termacady, back to Termacady, near the town of Allen Road. Oh, take me back to Termacady,